So for law of sines. So remember, I'm just going to do it in terms of what we have here.
113 minus 36.
What?
Do we have to use the case?
I mean, you should.
I just replaced all the letters with A's and B's and C's. Yeah, that makes me feel so much better. Makes me feel safer.
It means the same thing.
I don't feel safe unless it's with theta.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so to find that first angle. Where's my good calculator? Okay, so you're going to do 180 minus 36 minus 113 to get that our other angle here is 31 degrees. Did we get that?
Yeah, I did that right. Yeah.
Okay, so that's a good start. So then now we need to find our other two sides. So we have side P, and now we have angle P. So we're going to use that. So we're going to have, we're going to have 14 over the sine of 31 is equal to h over the sine of 113. So that's going to let us solve for this side here. Okay, so then we cross multiply. So h sine 31 equals 14 times the sine of 113. So then we're going to divide by sine 31. So then you're going to plug in 14 times the sine of 113 divided by sine of 31. Which is going to give you 25.02. Which they rounded to 25 because on this paper it said to the nearest tenth. So that would be 25.0. So. Was your calculator in radians?
Huh?
Was your calculator in the wrong mode?
I have a question.
Yeah.
You went from 14 yards to 42 to
Huh?
Sine 31 over 11 sine 113.
I can't hear you, Zach.
Answer is, I didn't have questions.
Oh, okay. Oh.
It looks like I wrote the right. If I was in the wrong mode the whole time.
To find the last side, we're going to do that again, basically. Except... Okay, so for this one, we're going to have 14 over the sine of 31 again. But this time, we're going to be solving for side k. So we're going to have k over the sine of 36. So 14 sine 36 equals k sine 31. Divide by sine of 31. So then 14 sine 36 divided by the sine of 31 is going to give you 15.97. Or well, 15.98 when you round it up, right? So roughly 16. Okay. So do we feel a little better about law of sines?
Do you like your life?
I rounded mine up.
For the most part.
Are you happy? I just did it.
I'm very happy right now. Okay, so for 16, so this time you have two sides in an angle. So I'm going to do, all right, I'm with you guys. I'm doing A, B, and C.
Should I wash my masks?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Have you not washed your mask? Like,
That,
the
that
last
is funky, bro.
I washed it like a week ago because I dropped it in the dirt.
When did you wash it before that?
Well, I've only had it for a little while.
That's the same one you've worn all year, isn't it?
No, I got this end of December.
For this one, so we have 30 over sine of 110. So let's find angle C first because we have side 13. Okay, so then we're going to cross multiply again. So 13 times the sine of 110 equals 30 times sine C.
What the hell?
So So divide by
Oh,
30.
never mind. Oh, whoa. Man, I got that one backwards.
Yeah, because we have to solve for the angle this time.
Okay.
So then in the calculator, you're going to plug in 13 sine of 110 divided by 30.
That equals sine C.
Right, so you get 0.407 is equal to sine C. So then at this point, this is where you plug in like sine -1 of 0.407 in the calculator to get angle C. So you're doing the inverse sine of that, which is going to give you C is equal to 24 degrees.
See, I really like them. I like sine.
Yeah. And then now that you know that that's 24, you can do 180 minus 110 minus 24, which gives you the 46 for the other angle.
I don't really understand.
So for number 2, we're looking for this side over here. So did you label everything as A, B, and C?
Yeah.
What did you label? Where did you start? Like which one's A, which one's B, which one's C?
A is Y, Z is B, and X is C.
All right, so we're solving for side C. So that means we're going to use C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2A B cosine C. Okay, so then that means we're going to have 27.4 squared plus 17.7 squared minus 2 times 27.4. Come on. Times 17.7 times cosine of 131.9. So then that is 750.76. And then 2 times. Right. So then you're going to add those up. And then, which gives you, see, we have C squared, what am I doing? C squared is 1711.06. Then take the square root of that. To get that, C is 41.36, which rounds to 41.4. Okay, so then for number 5, we are solving for angle A. And we have side A. So right, so we're
Side C?
I don't have it in front of me. We're going to find out. So C squared equals 9 squared plus 15 squared minus 9 times 15 cosine. So 81. Yep, you may. 2 times 9 times 15 times cosine of 107. So 81 plus 225 plus 70. So that is 384.9. Take the square root. So side C should be 19.6. Did we get that? Yes, no. Any kind of acknowledgement would be appreciated.
No, I got that right.
Okay, do we see why we didn't get it, if we didn't get it? Okay. So then now we're going to solve for angle A. So that means we're going to use this formula.
Wait, did April ask for this problem?
No,
What was it?
I don't think.
I did this one.
Okay.
So maybe we should pause.
Okay, so then we have 9 squared equals 15 squared plus 19.6 squared minus 2 times 9 times 15 times cosine of C.
What?
$270. So then we're going to add these together first. Might help if I put the right sign between them. So then that gives us 81 equals 609.9. And then we're going to subtract that over. So 81 minus 609.9. And then divide that by negative 270. Oh, I guess that gives us negative 528.9. So that means cosine of C. No, what's wrong? That's not going to work. So that's going to be 294. Which means it's also 294 there. That still isn't going to work.